Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to download CapCut Pro in iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone device and make sure that you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. So once you have done that, simply go back to your home screen and go to the App Store. And in App Store's search bar, type down CapCut and search for it. Type down CapCut and search for it. So after you search for it, you will get to see CapCut option available there. Simply tap on it and download it if you have not already. So open the CapCut app and log into your account or simply sign up to your account. And once you're inside your CapCut account, tap on the Me icon available there in the bottom right corner. So in Me icon, you will get to see Join CapCut Pro option available there. All you have to do is tap on the Join CapCut Pro option and you will be navigated to the payment subscription. So basically you can see the price range of CapCut Pro and you can choose any according to your preferences. So once you have opened CapCut Pro, you can explore many features and start editing videos right away, and it will give you advanced features more than in CapCut. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.